Before you begin, remove the top cover. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the battery. Remove the 8 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the base enclosure. Lift the battery off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the battery onto the alignment pins on the base enclosure. Replace the 8 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the base enclosure. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel on the battery.